Hey my girl, welcome back for another video. So today I'm going to be styling my hair in a low maintenance style for the week, and I'm going to do four flat twists to the back into a bun. So if you're interested in a low maintenance style that should be hopefully quick, then stay tuned.
Get your life, plan it out. You can go as far as you can dream. Edges laid, curls popping. She's a doctor of pharmacy.
I am starting on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. If you want to see my review on the deep conditioner that I use from Khalida Naturals, definitely check it out. I will link that video above. But I do have products from Royal Visage that I'll be using today, and I'm going to be styling my hair in pretty much straight backs but with flat twists. So if you haven't seen my video, I did use these products before. It's been a minute, but I did do a braid and curl. Absolutely love them, and I'm excited to use them again because they did not disappoint the first time I used them. So this is the Royal Visage Piña and Coco styling cream, and then I also have the Royal Visage Hydrating Curly Jelly. So I'm thinking between the two of these, I should be able to get some holds because I do want this style to last throughout the whole entire week, and then potentially I should be able to take them out over the weekend and have a separate style. So I will keep y'all posted on that, but let's go ahead and get started. I have just a regular wide tooth comb. I'm not too concerned about parts. I do have my big mirror in front of me, so if you see me looking that way, that's what I'm doing. This is my first section, making sure that it's combed all the way through. Oh, my ends are like this. Do I need to get them trimmed? Probably. All right, so I'm going in with a little bit of the styling cream first. Take the jelly and put it all throughout my hair before I twist. I love the color of it. People say this light has amazing holds, so I'm excited to see what it gives. Primarily going to put this on the beginning of this twist, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start twisting. So I'm going to grab my two sections up front and then just go through and flat twist all the way through. One. Sorry y'all, my camera died earlier and it threw me off because I wanted to show y'all this piece, but we move one last time. You want to make sure you don't have any tangles throughout, because once you're grabbing, that's the worst time to try to be detangling at the same time. Now the ends do look a little dry, so I'm going in with just a little bit more of that jelly just to give it a nice little oomph. Okay, all right, so the section is ready. Now I do have some flyaways. I don't know if y'all can see them like back here. So I'm just gonna go in with my gel down the back and make sure that I get rid of these flyaways as best I can. So first things first, you grab your section that you're gonna be working with. Put that in 2, and then you go ahead and start with that pointer finger, going over and grabbing. Over and grabbing. Oh hell. See, I'm grabbing from this section. Alright, I gotta come back because I'm grabbing from my twist. So let me pull this over. Go in, same exact motion. I honestly feel like it's just not enough hair in this section to get it to be like puffy like the other section, but it's fine. We move. Ooh. Oh. I need to get my nails like redone. I do my own, but my nail bed is lifting like on the back near my cuticle, and so it's literally grabbing everything, and I think I just pulled some hair out of the other piece. Dang. So I'm done, y'all, finally. All right, so I have my 4 braids or twists, excuse me. So let me know what you think about this style. These two, I feel like my hair is hydrated. Even though it's in a low maintenance style, you do want to make sure that you're using products that are going to hydrate your hair in the process, because if not, you're defeating the purpose, right? If you have your hair and it's still dry and brittle but it's twisted up, you're still going to get damaged. So these are going to definitely protect my hair, keep it hydrated. The jelly does have good hold in addition to the edge control. So I will see you guys on my next one. Thank you so much for joining today's video. Let me know below if you actually try this style. Send me pictures, DM me. I would love to see it. See you all on my next one. Bye.